Good morning, class. Myself, Mr. Arathor, lecturer in mechanical engineering from Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. In today's lecture, we will learn about process cost estimation part 2 of thermal power plant and power packaging cost of the subject estimating costing and contracting. Subject code 3351905. Starting with example of thermal power plant. The capacity of thermal power plant is 80 megawatt. The load factor of the power plant is 40%. Find the cost of generating power per unit in thermal power plant. So start with solution. Install capacity. What we have? 18 megawatt. So it is equal to 18 into 1000 kilowatt. Now assume capital cost of rupees 1800 per kilowatt for thermal power plant. For this means for producing 1 kilowatt power, there will be a cost of rupees 1800. Now the total capacity cost equal to install capacity into cost per kilowatt, so which is equal to 18 into 1000 into 1800, which is equal to 144 into 10 raised to 6 rupees. Now take interest and depreciation 12% of capital cost. So interest and depreciation cost equal to 144 into 10 raised to 6 into 12%. So which is equal to 1720 into 10 raised to 4 rupees. Now average load of the plant, it is equal to maximum demand into load factor. So what is maximum demand? We have 18 into 1000, and what is load factor? 40%. So which is equal to 32 into 10 raised to 3 kilowatt. Now annual power supply by the plant, so which is equal to average load into annual hour. Average load equal to 32 into 10 raised to 3, and how much annual hour we have? 8760. So which is kilowatt hour. Now per unit interest and depreciation cost equal to interest and depreciation cost divided by annual power supply by plant. So which is equal to 1720 into 10 raised to 4 divided by 32 into 10 raised to 3 into 8760. So which is equal to 0.061 rupees per kilowatt hour. Now finding per unit cost by taking operating cost 1.94 rupees per kilowatt hour. So total cost per unit equal to per unit interest and depreciation cost plus per unit operating cost. So which is equal to 0.061 plus 1.94, which is equal to 2 rupees per unit. Now the second example is of pouch packaging. The cost of active wheel washing powder packed in 1 kg pouch is rupees 26. The plastic material for pouch costs rupees 1 per pouch. An operator is packing 500 pouches in a shift of 8 hours. If operator is paid rupees 150 per 8-hour shift, estimate pouch packaging cost assuming interest and depreciation. Power cost per pouch is rupees 0.15. So starting with solution, what we have? Active wheel powder cost. How much? What is? It is 26 rupees. Now packaging pouch material cost. So what is the price of pouch? 1 rupees. Now cost of pouch packaging. Labor cost per pouch in 8 hours shift. So it is equal to operator rate per day into number of pouch packed per day. So operator rate how much? 150 into pouch pack per day 500. So it is equal to 0.3 rupees per pouch. It is the labor cost. Taking packaging machine price is rupees 1 lakh with 12% interest and depreciation. So interest and depreciation cost equal to machinery cost into interest and depreciation. So which is equal to 1 lakh into 12 by 100. So which is equal to 12,000 rupees per year, or which is equal to 1,000 rupees per month divided by 12, or which is equal to 100 by 26. 4-day weekly off in a month, so it is 1000 divided by 26 days, so it is equal to 38.46 rupees per day. Now interest and depreciation cost per pouch equal to 38.46 rupees per day divided by 500 pouch per day, so which is equal to 0.077 rupees per pouch. Now cost of 1 kg active wheel powder equal to powder cost plus pouch cost plus labor cost plus interest and depreciation cost per pouch plus power cost. So it is equal to 26 plus 1 plus 0.3 plus 0.077 plus 1.5. So it is equal to 27.52 rupees per pouch. Thank you student. Thanks for listening me carefully.